Indian Navy's foray into the deep began in 1967. After that, there was no looking back. INS Vela, first of her class, was commissioned in 1973 by Lieutenant Commander Sodi at Riga in the erstwhile Soviet Union. Decommissioned after 37 years of service, she was a legend. And the legend is back. Constructed by Mazagon Dock shipbuilders, the new Vela has taken the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat a notch higher. She is powered by an indigenous set of batteries. Her design advancements include a state-of-the-art communication system and enhanced stealth capability. The synergy between stakeholders enabled Vela to complete her sea trials within a year of her first dive. The story of Vela is a story of teamwork.
The past experience of building 3 submarines and the personal sacrifices of Team MDL even during the pandemic helped us get Vela going.
From the first cut of steel to the final weld, the overseeing team has ensured that Vela has been manufactured exactly as per the technical specifications.
The submarine trial team has put Vela to her paces during the trials to ensure she is combat ready on commissioning.
Armed with modern weapons, an advanced sonar and combat system, Vela also has an ultra-quiet propulsion system.
To me, technology is only as good as the talent that puts it to work.
Down in the deep, there are no second chances. The crew ensures that they and the boat are always mission ready. And now, it's time to step out and put Vela to sea.
How much is correct, sir? Very good. Let go line. Hi, sir. Let go line. Forward kissing, up kissing. Let go line.
Vela's primary objective is to engage the enemy.
That is why we train hard, so that we can deliver when it matters.
We have a target on bearing 090. All positions, dive, dive, dive.
Dive, dive, dive!
Target parameters acquired, sir.
Very good. Fire WLT1 and 2. WLT1 and 2 fired, sir.
As Vela charts a new course, the crew embodies her motto of being vigilant, valiant, and victorious.